Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy feature of the Telegram app that helps you find all the videos shared in a chat. Whether you're catching up on a conversation or simply want to relive some old memories, knowing how to access shared media can make things much easier. So, let's get started. First, begin by opening the Telegram app on your Android device. You'll want to make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in the app, locate the contact with whom you want to view shared videos. This could be a friend, family member, or colleague. Just scroll through your contacts or search for their name using the search bar at the top. Now that you have the chat open, tap on the contact's name at the very top of the screen. This will bring you to their profile or chat details. Finally, look for the media option in the list of tabs that appears at the bottom of the screen. By tapping on media, you will see all the shared media in that particular chat, including videos, images, and stickers. It's a quick way to access everything that has been shared without scrolling endlessly through the chat history. And that's it. Now you can easily revisit all those moments captured in videos and images in your Telegram chats. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips on how to maximize your app experience.